Hi everyone, introducing the International Compost Awareness Week poster and bookmark contest is an exciting opportunity for you. So the International Compost Alliance follows a thoughtful process each year to select the theme for International Compost Awareness Week. So they began by choosing one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals as their anchor. So UN Sustainable Development Goal number 9, that is industry, innovation and infrastructure. So they are organizing this competition for you. So you can come and participate in it. So these are the previous year's winners, so you can get some motivation from what they have done last year. So you see this, they have built something like this. So these are some of the poster contest entries from 2026. As you can see here, they made some great posters. So there is this poster contest and there is this bookmark contest. So let's look at the poster contest to see what exactly they are looking for. So the poster contains the date May 2nd to 8, 2027. That is what is the requirement. So now International Compost Awareness Week, it's free to enter. You don't need a fee to submit. It's free to enter. So they are giving attractive prices, overall impact, all graphics are related to the topic. So the overall winner will receive a $500 prize. So the last date for application is November 15, 2027. So you can check it out and apply for it. It's a great opportunity. Don't miss out. So if you want such information from around the world, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel IdeaMela. Thank you very much.